January 6th, 2022, Highway 90, that's US 90, not Interstate 90, approaching New Orleans. That's where I am. I'm cheating. I put my iPhone in the little iPhone holder. Generally speaking, I hate Apple Maps and iPhones, but I was a little skeptical of this drive, so I went ahead and snapped the iPhone into the holder there, and I've been keeping maps up. I don't really need a map because I'm just following US 90, but it's still kind of useful to know what's going on. What's up with those? Static wicks? Lightning rods? Sorry. Yeah, that's not where you want to be when there's a hurricane. How is that structure? Do you see it? Look. It's like a fort or something. I saw a business on stilts that didn't want to buy an elevator, so it had like a 3-mile long zigzaggy ADA ramp. I didn't have the motivation to stop and take a picture though. Should have. Oh well. So on this little spit here, it's not very wide, it's only a few hundred yards wide, and it's got a canal in the middle of it apparently. For sale, yeah, vacant land. And it becomes vacant every few years when a hurricane comes and erases everything on it. Alright, that's all I got to say about that.